The cabin air filter, also known as the AC filter, in your 2019-2021 Hyundai Tucson is vital for trapping dust, pollen, mold spores, exhaust fumes, and road debris, ensuring cleaner air inside your vehicle. Over time, these filters become clogged, reducing airflow, causing musty odors, and straining the HVAC system. Keep an eye and ear out for reduced airflow or musty smells coming from your vehicle's vents as well. Replace it every 15,000 to 25,000 miles or annually, more frequently if you drive in dusty or polluted areas. Regular replacement enhances cabin comfort, AC efficiency, and prevents costly repairs. Start by parking your vehicle on a level surface and turning off the engine. Open the glove box and remove all contents to provide clear access. Locate and remove the glove box stops by pressing release tabs or unscrewing as needed. Gently pull out the rectangular filter housing from under the dashboard. Slide out the old filter and note the airflow arrows, which should point toward the cabin. Insert the new filter, ensuring it aligns correctly with the airflow arrows pointing toward the cabin. Reassemble the filter housing, glove box, and secure all fasteners. Remember to realign hinges to prevent sagging. Turn on the engine and test the AC system to ensure proper airflow and no unusual odors. You'll need a new Hyundai filter or equivalent, possibly a flashlight and gloves. The process takes about 10 to 15 minutes with no special tools.